Welcome, educators. Today we're going to explore Module 3 of the AI Literacy Professional Development course. These modules will focus on the crucial aspects of responsible AI implementation in the classroom. We'll delve into potential biases, ensuring fairness, and safeguarding data privacy. The goals and objectives for Module 3 are listed: to identify potential biases in AI usage, to develop strategies, and to understand best practices. Our first objective is inheriting in AI algorithms and educational technology. Then we want to promote fairness and equity in AI-powered learning experiences. 4, the data privacy and security when using AI tools in the classroom. The first lesson in the trilogy within this module is Lesson 3.1, Bias and Ethical Decision-Making in AI. In Lesson 3.1, will be diving into the potential for bias in AI algorithms, as well as understanding what bias is. Bias is a large term that is used often, not only in the real world, but in educational settings as well as AI settings. In this lesson, we will explore how AI can perpetuate societal biases and its impact on student learning. You'll also use real-world scenarios and experiences to identify where bias might lurk in an educational setting. Additionally, we'll equip you with methods to choose AI tools critically and mitigate bias within your classroom. Bias is something all teachers try to avoid, and within AI, this is extremely important that this is something we do. Here's an example of the course. We have things like terminology cards, scenario activities, files, flip-throughs, and a short knowledge check. There's things like sorts and videos to help you understand what bias is and how you might identify it and how you might try and avoid it in AI usage in the classroom. There are multiple kinds of activities and learning experiences throughout this module to really help you hone in on your skill to identifying and avoiding bias when using AI. Lesson 3.2 is Fairness and Equity in AI Usage. In this lesson, you'll be exploring the principles of fairness and equity in AI-powered learning. You're going to also be able to identify strategies to promote inclusive learning environments with AI tools, and you'll be creating a plan for implementing AI tools to cater to diverse learning needs. The lesson objectives are to define and understand fairness and equity, and to be able to create an equitable educational environment using AI. You'll be doing this through understanding vocabulary terms and understanding what it means to be fair versus what it means to be equitable in the classroom, especially when using AI. You'll be using and analyzing real-world scenarios and real challenges teachers face in regards to using AI in the classroom and making it an equitable experience for all. And you'll be doing things like engaging in knowledge checks, sortings, and just content to help you really understand what fairness and equity is and how you can really create a fair and equitable environment in your classroom. You're going to explore how AI can be used to personalize learning and to cater to all students' diverse needs. You're going to learn strategies and you're going to practice using those strategies in the classroom. By the end, you'll be able to create a plan for introducing AI that benefits all students. Here's an example of a scenario that you might be engaging in within this course. This is a scenario that you'll be completing that will help you to understand the rules for using AI and to keep it equitable and data-driven. Using data-driven activities will allow for a more equitable experience where we're bringing in that component of bias and trying to eliminate bias in our classroom and within our AI usage. This scenario will allow you to experience what it's like to use AI in the classroom and to really test if you're able to create an equitable environment based on what you've learned in the course so far. Lesson 3.3 is data privacy and security in AI usage. The three objectives for this lesson is to understand the importance of data privacy when using AI in education, exploring the best practices for data collection, storage, and security with AI tools, and to be able to develop strategies to communicate data privacy practices to students and parents. In this lesson, in this unit, 3.3 empowers you with the knowledge to prioritize data privacy when using AI in the classroom. We'll delve into responsible collection strategies, storage, and security practices for AI tools. You're going to learn how to communicate these practices to your students and families and fostering an environment of trust and understanding with AI usage. In conclusion, our goal for this is to be able to allow you to bridge the gap between theory and practice. We understand that in theory, you want to have a bias-free, equitable environment where you can use AI with your students. Our goal is to allow you to understand these concepts and to allow you to feel more comfortable in actually applying these in your classroom. We want you to utilize the knowledge gained to develop a plan for integrating these AI tools ethically in your classroom. Remember, consider the impact of AI on all your students from a bias, fairness, and data security perspective. Now you're equipped to navigate the ethical landscape of AI in education. Thank you so much. We hope you enjoy our course and that you learn a lot and you're able to use it in your classrooms.